Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and in today's tutorial I'm going to be showing you guys how I created this burger design flyer right here in Pixellab. So before doing that, let me quickly share you something real quick. So as you can see right here on my screen, I'll be speaking in this webinar that is hosted by the Skill Blueprint community on the YouTube Premier. So for as many as you guys right here watching this tutorial that would like to learn how to start a YouTube channel, get paid by just posting content, do well to click the link in the description. I'll see you guys this Saturday. So with that being said, guys, let's jump right into the tutorial. So as usual, you're going to get in the PLP file, is in the description. Just where to get that. So let's just jump right into it. So actually, to keep my tutorial short and simple, I normally leave some text, some images the way they are in this tutorial. So let's start with the first thing which you have here. So the first thing which you have here is this wood. Okay, where is it? All you need to do right here is just to extend this out of the page. The size doesn't really matter. It's 109 by 87, but the size doesn't really matter. So once you've done that, bring it down a little bit. Just, I think here is okay. So once you've done that, the next thing you need to do is to, okay, for the background, okay, since you're getting it as a PLP file, is already there. But just in case of next time, this is a shape. This is a shape, which is this, and you select the gradient color, which is this. All you need to do is to click on the color which you want. Then the second part of this should be transparent. Click on this drop icon, then move this last slider all the way to the end. So once you've done that, you readjust this. Is here, you readjust this to this place and click on OK, and you have this as this whatever color you actually picked. So all I did was to increase the size, and that is how I actually got that. So that is that for that. So the next thing you need to do is to import your burger. So this is it. So the size for this is actually 104 by 76. So I've said it multiple times, and now you can actually do that. 104, just increase it, keep on increasing it. Okay, we're almost there, just a little bit. Okay, yes, this is it. So once you've done that, centralize this, then move it down. Let's just touch. I think this is okay. Yes, this is okay. So once you've done that, the next thing you need to do is to duplicate your shadow. So I'll just bring this all the way to the front real quick. I'll bring this all the way to the front. Okay, the original opacity for this is okay, it actually doesn't even matter. Let's just leave it as 100 first, then place it here exactly at the front of this burger. Then move it all the way to the back. Okay, let me just move this to the back first, to the back, and then to the back of the burger. So let me lock it. I'll duplicate it again. Copy. I'll reduce the opacity to 80. So once I've done that, reduce the size. Just reduce the size. It doesn't really matter because I'm going to blur that area once more. Just place it here. I think this is okay. Copy it again, place it here. I think this is okay. Okay, yes, you can lock both layers if you want. So the next thing you need to do now is to import this shape. Let me just bring it all the way to the front. So in order to do this, you select a rectangle shape. So extend it out of the page again. So once you've done that, you go to gradients. For colors, you click on the plus icon, and the same way we did that for the background. So that's what you need to do. I just pick black for this area and make this other area transparent. So I'll click on OK, and that's that. So I'll just bring it here all the way here. I'll bring this all the way here. I'll duplicate it. I'll do this, increase it, take it a little bit to the top. I think this is a little bit too much. Okay, let me just take it a little bit down. Okay, yeah. Instead, take it this a little bit down, then lock both layers. So once you've locked both layers, let's go back to our main design and see. Let's go to the next thing which we have here, which is the background. So for the background, as you can see, there's let me just show you guys. You can see the background. You can see this. So let me show you guys how I did this real quick. Let me just disable all layers. Okay, and okay, this is it. So this is it. Import your logo, whatever size that it is, doesn't really matter. Just leave it at that. Whatever size, just leave it at that. Then use your grid line. Click on this icon here. You see the grid line, click on this down icon here, and then touch this, place this here and place it at the top. So once you've done that, duplicate the M logo, place it just place it close to each other, Okay, let me space it a little bit. Copy this again, place this here, copy this again, place this here. So yeah, once you've done that, you can adjust this by to your own taste. So once you've done that, all you need to do is to merge them. Click on the layer panel, click on this icon down here, select the layers you want to merge, and then merge them with this icon down here. So once you've done that, just wait for it to this work. So once you've done that, you can see now they are okay. I didn't select that one, but it actually doesn't matter since you're going to be doing that yourself. So once you've done that, you just increase it out of the page, then place it here, then reduce the opacity all the way to, okay, starting from up, we went to 9, I can't remember. So duplicate it, place it down a little bit, increase the opacity again by 1 or 2, 9, 10, okay, 11, duplicate it, it should be at the back, duplicate it again, do the same for this, just like that, place it to the back, do the last one and place it to the back, just like that. So you have gotten the background which you saw from the, okay, sorry about this, which you saw from my own design. So I'll just delete mine real quick since mine is already there, and I'll just import this ones already. So that is that for the background area. So let's see the next thing which we have here from our design. Let's see the next thing which we have here. Okay, this is it. So after this, let's import our text. I think it's still here. It should be okay. Yes, it's blacklisted. That's the text name, but the text will be together with the PLP file. So you just have it immediately you get the PLP file. So I will just import my text real quick. Okay, yes, this is it. So since the text is together with the PLP file, the size for the text is 99. So once you've done that, just increase that, place it the same way as seeing this on the page. So once you've done that, go to align right here and select the middle, because initially your text will be like this. Yeah, so select the middle one. So once you've done that, duplicate this text, go to color, click on the plus icon, move this store slider all the way to the left. So once you've done that, you would okay, I've made the color transparent. I'll go to stroke, and I'll make my stroke color white. I'll reduce the stroke width all the way to 1, and then I'll place this to the front like this. Let it just let it be exactly the way the previous text was. So then once it's exactly the way the previous text was, all you need to do is move it to the left, just maybe 1 or 2 times. It depends on you. I'll just do this one. Okay, 1 is okay for me. So now if you want to move it down a little bit, you can do that. So it's okay like this. It's okay like this. Just 1 or 2 times is okay. So the next thing you need to do is to duplicate this text again, the one with the stroke. Duplicate the text again, the one with the stroke. So you can see this. I've duplicated this. Sorry, I didn't duplicate this. I only enabled the layer because it was actually my Pixellab already. So all you need to do is duplicate the text with the stroke. So once you've done that, you will need to reduce your opacity all the way to 15. So once you, okay, let me just make this clear so you guys can see this. Okay, see. So just position it exactly. I don't want to move this because of I don't want the spacing to be too much. Position it doesn't really matter. You can move yours up or down. Just position it to your own taste because you're going to actually reduce your opacity, so it won't be that visible. Position it to your own taste. Like I said, make sure they align. Now for this part, the align should be here. Select on this align and then use the left alignment here. This one here. Use this so all your text to move to this part. Because okay, let me disable this layer. You see exactly what I'm talking about. It will be like this, yeah. So once you selected this, okay, sorry. So once you selected this align, you just move this all the way here. Yeah, that's that. So once you've done that, click on the grid line. Please use this to measure this text. Duplicate the text. Okay, just run. Duplicate the text. Move it to the next side, move this to the next side. Then once you've done that, go to align back and then use the right alignment, so everything will move all the way to the right. So like I said, remember that the opacity is 15. The opacity for both, they are both 15. So reduce that all the way to 15 and reduce this all the way to 15. So that's that for that. So once you've done that, let's see what we have next on our design. Let me disable this. So the next thing, okay, this other text is already here. Let me just look for that real quick. This is it. I'm loving it. This text right here is this. So in order to do this lines you're actually seeing, this is what I did, is go to your keyboard, the 1 2 3 area, then you can see this dash here. You can see this. So I just click on this multiple times like that. So write my text and do the same for the other side. So just where to do that. So once you've done that, all you need to do is to select the size is 25. Then centralize it as well. So like I said, the main reason I'm doing this tutorial like this is so you can actually practice Pixellab yourself. These are things that are actually not hard, which I don't have to be repeating every single time in my tutorial. So once you've done that, once you've done the text area, the next thing here is to do, okay, we have some other text down here. So let me just do that real quick. Let me see if I can just import. Okay, it's just the same thing. Order now. So once you've done the order now, let me place this all to the front. So once you've done the order now, the size is 21. So once you've done that, there's a Okay, this is what I added a circle stroke to this. So sorry, rectangle. So I would reduce this, bring this down here, increase the radius, okay, 30 28, increase the radius to 28, make this shape transparent. Scroll down, select a stroke, that is the width is 2. Use the white color so you can reduce the size now. Just do this. So once you've done that, place it here, all the way here, and keep on reducing the size till you are okay with what you have. Keep on reducing the size till you are okay with what you have. So okay, oh sorry about this, actually made a mistake here. Hold on. Okay, yeah, so this is it. Let me just see, let me see, increase the stroke to 3. 3 is okay, bring it down a little bit. Yeah, this is it. Yeah, so reduce the size, just keep on doing this till you're okay with what you have. Keep on doing this till you're okay with what you have. So this is it. So yeah, this is it. So the next thing was the, okay, that one is actually self-explanatory. So where is it? My other text, www dot, I can't actually find it again. Okay, yeah, this is it. This is my text. My text is right here. So once you've imported your text as well, you can actually write this out yourself with Pixellab. So the next thing was this arrow which I placed here. The arrow which I placed here, you can see this, the arrow down there. So in order to do that arrow, let me show you guys how I did this. Okay, the arrow is actually facing up. So in order to do that, you click on the 1 2 3 area again. You click on this icon here. You click on this icon here, so you can see this. Because once you click on one, go to the next paragraph, do the same thing, and click on the next one. So you have two like that. So once you have two, I went to the line spacing, the vertical line spacing, and I moved this all the way to -18. So once you've done that, centralize it again and place it exactly the way as you can see right here on the screen. So let's see if that's all for, okay, sorry. The next thing is to import this our blood pepper. Yeah, this is it. So let me just do that real quick for the first side, which is here. Okay, this is not really at the front, so hold on. So the size for this is 3757. So once you've done that, just move this all the way here, then move this to the back of this text that are at the front. Yeah, this is it. I'll lock this layer right now. So let's see, the next text size is like, the next paper size is like that. Okay, let me enable the layer for the second one, which is this. So I'll bring this all the way to the front, to the back of this other paper. Yeah, this is it. So once I've done that, the size for this is 2742, and you can see it is rotated or the other way. So just do this like this. So the size is, duplicate this first text, this first paper, then rotate it all the way here. I think yes, just rotate it. So the size is 2742. So okay, place it here, just place it here. Okay, yes, then there's the last, okay, yes, it's here. So I'll just move this all the way to the front. Sorry about this, I'm not feeling too well. My voice is somehow so I'm really sorry about that. So for this last one here, okay, yes, this is it. The last paper which is here, the size is 7862. So this is it. All you need to do is to I just move this all the way to inside to this place. Yeah, I just did this. So I actually think that is all. Let's see, let me move this all the way to the front. Yes, that is actually all, but let's add the last thing which we should add, which is this. So select the shape, go to gradient, select, okay, this one is still here. You remember how we did this? Yes, so you can do that again. Click on OK. So once you've done that, place this here. Let's just cover the MC www dot area a little bit, duplicate it again, and place it. You can then move it down instead. So yeah, so just do that till you are okay with that. So you can see there's a difference because I edited this with Lightroom and PSCC. So you can see, you should have known by now from all my tutorials which you have watched on how you can actually use PSCC and Lightroom. The Lightroom tutorial is on screen. So from my previous tutorials, almost all my tutorials I've used PSCC, so that will actually help you out. So this is it, guys. If you found value, like, share, and subscribe, and turn on your post notification bell for more. And I'll see you guys in my next tutorial.